Y'all come on into Miss Dana's kitchen.
Good morning, everybody. This is Miss Frances.
Hello there.
Where are we going today?
Oh, we're going to Hoyt's today, and I've already talked to him. I'll tell you about it.
Okay. So we're so excited because we're going to go see our friends Hoyt and Suzy, and we're going to go to the Amish country, and I thought it'd be fun to video part of it because I talk about it so much to show everybody. So here we go. We'll see you a little later.
I want you. I want you to. I want you to be. I want you to be my baby.
We made it to Hoyt and Suzy's, and we're so excited because I'm going to turn this camera around and show you what we're having for lunch. It is amazing, and we can't wait. Right, Miss Frances?
Absolutely. He's making biscuits. We've got corn. We've got green beans with new potatoes.
Making some thin biscuits.
Yes, and we're going to watch him make biscuits.
Yeah,
too.
we're going to watch it.
Okay. Here's what we're having. Fried corn. We're going to put on biscuits, right, Suzy?
That's right.
And then these green beans and potatoes, which is exactly
Yeah,
like my grandmother used to make, so I cannot wait.
Mm-hmm. And then we've got some
Hey,
And we've got
when
some
baked chicken.
Oh my gosh, some baked chicken.
and Johnny's honey mustard sauce.
Oh
We
my
had
goodness.
Yeah.
corn for
And
breakfast. We had
Hoyt
corn
is
for
making
lunch.
us biscuits.
We had corn
And
for
here's Miss Frances
supper.
again.
We had corn.
Yeah. Yeah, he's made us some thin ones. Then he's going to make.
I am.
Then he's going to cut you and
Yeah,
Okay.
you all some thick.
So what are you using to make these biscuits that you
Mom,
like?
go get a bag of them. I'm going to show you. It's a Formula L biscuit mix. All you got to do is add buttermilk. Add buttermilk, and if you just want one biscuit, just put a little biscuit mix. And if you want more, just, then you get it the right consistency. You know what consistency it needs to be. And Susie's going to show you. If Walmart tells you they don't have it, they're mistaken.
You can
They
be
got
Miss
it.
Vanna White.
They've got it in their warehouse.
Well, why would they take you that?